Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, an island famous for history, culture, volcanoes, and most importantly, some of the most beautiful beaches in Europe. Clear blue water, golden sand, dramatic rock formations, and nature that feels powerful and wild. Today we're exploring the 8 most popular beaches in Sicily, places that every travel lover should know about. Let's start. Number 1. San Vito lo Capo Beach. San Vito lo Capo Beach is one of the most famous beaches in Sicily, and for good reason. The sand here is soft and light. The water is crystal clear and shallow near the shore. It looks almost tropical. The beach stretches wide, giving visitors plenty of space to relax and swim. Behind the beach, you can see mountains and white buildings that create a beautiful background. It's perfect for families, couples, and travelers who want comfort with natural beauty. During summer, it becomes lively, but the water and scenery always stay stunning. Number 2. Scala dei Turchi, Stair of the Turks. Scala dei Turchi is not a typical beach. It is famous for its giant white rock cliff that looks like natural stairs going down to the sea. The bright white stone contrasts with the deep blue water, creating one of the most unique landscapes in Sicily. People come here not only to swim but also to take photos and walk on the smooth rock surface. Swimming near these white cliffs feels special because the scenery around you is dramatic and unforgettable. It's more than a beach. It's a natural masterpiece. Number 3. Isola Bella Beach. Isola Bella means beautiful island, and it truly lives up to its name. Located near Taormina, this stunning beach is one of the true gems of Sicily. It features a small, picturesque island that is connected to the mainland by a narrow strip of sand and rocks, which appears and disappears depending on the tide. This natural pathway makes the place feel magical and unique. The water here is incredibly clear, with shades of turquoise and deep blue blending together beautifully. You can swim around the small island and explore the rocky coastline, discovering hidden corners and quiet spots along the way. It's also a great location for snorkeling because the underwater visibility is excellent. Beneath the surface, you'll find colorful marine life and fascinating rock formations that make the experience even more special. From above, the beach looks like a postcard. Small island, crystal blue water, lush green nature surrounding it. Peaceful, scenic, absolutely unforgettable. Number 4. Cefalù Beach. Cefalù Beach is located next to one of the most charming coastal towns in Sicily. The beach stretches along the town with golden sand and calm water. Behind you, you can see the historic old town and a large cathedral, which makes the view even more special. You can swim in the morning, then walk into town for coffee, food, and exploring narrow streets. It's the perfect combination of beach life and culture. Because of its location and beauty, it's one of the most popular beaches on the island. Number 5. Mondello Beach. Mondello Beach is located near Palermo and is one of the most visited beaches in Sicily. The water here is shallow and bright blue. The sand is soft and comfortable for sunbathing. It has a lively atmosphere with restaurants, beach bars, and facilities nearby. Many locals and tourists come here to relax, swim, and enjoy summer vibes. Mondello feels energetic but still beautiful, especially when the sun reflects on the calm sea. If you want convenience plus beauty, this beach is a great choice. Number 6. Calamosche Beach. Calamosche Beach is a hidden gem inside a protected nature reserve. To reach it, you need to walk through a short natural trail, which makes the beach feel even more special when you arrive. The bay is small and surrounded by rocks and green landscape. The water is calm, clean, and incredibly clear. Because access requires effort, it is usually less crowded than other famous beaches. It's peaceful, natural, and perfect for people who want privacy and pure nature. Many travelers say it feels like discovering a secret paradise. Number 7. Fontane Bianche Beach. Fontane Bianche Beach is known for its bright white sand and shallow turquoise water. It is located on the southeast coast of Sicily and is very popular during summer. The beach is wide and comfortable, with easy access to the sea. Families love it because the water stays shallow for a long distance. The name means white fountains, referring to the natural freshwater springs that can sometimes be found near the area. It's a relaxing beach with clear water and a friendly atmosphere. Number 8. Rabbit Beach. Lampedusa Rabbit Beach is often ranked among the most beautiful beaches in the world. Located on Lampedusa Island, south of Sicily, this beach feels almost tropical. The water is extremely clear and bright blue. The sand is soft and white. It's also a protected area because sea turtles often lay eggs here. That makes it not only beautiful, but also environmentally important. To reach it, visitors usually walk a short path through nature, and when they arrive, the view feels unreal. If you want one of the clearest waters in Europe, this is it. Sicily is not just about history and volcanoes. It's about beaches that look like paintings. From dramatic white cliffs to soft golden sand, from lively beach towns to hidden natural bays, Sicily offers variety for every traveler. If you enjoyed exploring these 8 amazing beaches, like this video. Subscribe for more travel guides and share it with someone who loves beach destinations. Which Sicily beach would you visit first?